The groundbreaking documentary, Heroes of the Massacre River, tells the story of Haitians in South Florida and back home, showing what happens when a people refuse to let their story be silenced. Today, I welcome director of the film, Samuel Dameus. Hi, Samuel. Hi, nice to see you here on South Florida Live.
Hey, I'm very happy to be here.
First and foremost, congratulations on the Haiti team making it to the World Cup.
Yes.
Well, first and foremost, I'm very intrigued about this film. For those who don't know about the Heroes of the Massacre River, tell me more about the movie.
All right, so the film, the documentary, main purpose is to document the part of history that happened in Haiti at Wanamet, which is close to Dominican Republic, with the Massacre River and the building of the canal. So he has been very, getting a lot of press, tremendous attention, and as a filmmaker, it was my purpose to make sure that I would document the right way.
Yeah, and South Florida has a connection to this film. Tell me more about that.
Absolutely. The people in South Florida financed the diaspora. They put together, they send the money to help build the canal, and it makes sense that we have a screening here in South Florida for them to be able to watch it.
And what has the community say about this documentary? It obviously tells voices for those who have not been heard. What has that feedback been like?
It was well welcomed by everyone. Mostly they are Haitian in diaspora because they want to be connected with Haiti. They want to be connected with the history, and they want to be part of it. And so this film gave them the opportunity not only to finance it, but for them as well to witness how they can be part of the change. I think that it has been a great movement for all of them, not just a message.
And for you, you're obviously the director of the documentary. How has this documentary changed you? Have you feel changed, or what's that powerful movement that you have felt with this documentary?
Absolutely. This is not my first project. This is my second, but this is really close to my heart because I had to finance it myself, and to see that and to understand that 10 years or 20 years later, the next generation will be able to watch it and to understand part of our history that can help them to do a better job in building a better Haiti.
What message do you want the viewers to see when they see this documentary?
When they got to watch this film, I hope that we raise awareness and we bring a message, but we don't want it to stop here. We want the message to become a movement. In the movement, I'm talking about everything that you can do, small action, big action, that can help build Haiti. And also the audience in the South Florida, they have been very tremendous in supporting Haiti and Haitians. I think that this is a message of unity, and as we moving forward and we go into the World Cup, I think definitely this is a really great time for us to celebrate.
Incredible, and congratulations on the team making it to World Cup.
Thank you.
I'm really happy Haiti made it. Thank you so much.
Thank you for having me again.